It's a 2017 Honda CR-V. Capability without compromise isn't a dream, it's a CR-V. It's well equipped with the features you need: continuously variable automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, adaptive cruise control with low speed follow, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, hands-free liftgate, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend explains the new CR-V is exactly what it needs to be: another heart-of-market people mover that sells hundreds of thousands of copies to buyers who rank fuel economy and versatility above all else. For that, Honda's nailed it again. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. Experience it for yourself today.